Hello boys and girls, this is me, teacher Elsie again, and welcome to our lesson. It is, what do you see? I see animals. I see animals. Now you will review the lesson with me. Tell me, what do you see? A monkey, very good. I see a monkey climbing in the tree. I see a monkey climbing in the tree. Well done. Next one, what do you see? I see a bird flying in the sky. I see a bird flying in the sky. Great job. What do you see? I see a turtle. Well done. A turtle sleeping on a rock. I see a turtle sleeping on a rock. Good job. And here, what do you see? I see a tiger running in the grass. I see a tiger running in the grass. Next one, what do you see? I see, well done, a rabbit. A rabbit sitting on a rock. I see a rabbit sitting on a rock. Great job. And the last one, what do you see? I see a snake sliding down a tree. I see a snake sliding down a tree. Very good, boys and girls. The end. Thank you for joining the lesson today with me. Goodbye for now.